In today's video, we are going to be having a look at how Ripple's IPO could potentially be coming very soon and how you should be watching out for this specific date in order to see the benefit of XRP's price. Now guys, I actually do have a statistic as to how likely this IPO is going to be coming out, and this is backed by Wall Street analysis as well. So I know that there have been rumors about the IPO and people are not believing it. However, I have some strong evidence that I am going to be showing you in this video, and we are also going to be talking about the CBDC pilot project news for Ripple, and of course we will be getting into XRP's price today for November the 4th. Now Ripple gears up for an IPO, bullish for XRP price. Now just hold your horses there before you say anything. I am going to be showing you a clip of what Brad Garlinghouse, who is the CEO of Ripple, said about the fact that the IPO could potentially be going ahead, and you can see here that once they're basically done with the SEC, and there might be some sort of probability that they will be going ahead with the IPO. So that's Brad Garlinghouse giving us a possibility. And so Ripple going public is obviously bullish for the price of XRP because XRP is a native coin and it will generate a lot more interest and demand in Ripple, as we know. And they will discover through due diligence that Ripple's secret source is XRP, all about utility. And Ripple already publish quarterly reports when they are not required to. They do so in order to be transparent. However, we know that Ripple are ahead of the game. If all cryptocurrencies publish quarterly reports, everyone would shut up real quick about Ripple. And you can see here, this just gives us a bit more evidence as to how we could be expecting Ripple's IPO. Various job openings on Ripple's website hint towards the company's preparations for an IPO. According to a recent video published by Lewis Jackson, and per his analysis, the firm is currently going through the preparatory stages for going public. Now, if this article wasn't enough and the CEO Brad Garlinghouse saying that the IPO could be on the table, let's actually just have a look at the approval and what's going on in Dubai. You'll see here that Ripple's XRP has received approval for use within the Dubai International Financial Center, or the DIFC, from the Dubai Financial Services Authority, and the decision allows over 4,300 DIFC companies to integrate XRP into their operations, which is absolutely huge, guys. And of course, we have the upcoming Ripple Swell event in Dubai scheduled for November the 8th to the 9th, where they are going to be giving more information and details, and we may potentially be hearing an IPO announcement. And so this is a date that you have to get ready for. And they may also provide important updates on the XRP lawsuit as well. And you can see here that the cryptocurrency community is eagerly awaiting next week's Ripple IPO announcement, predicted with a 98% certainty by Wall Street analysis using PitchBook algorithms. So guys, we've only got a couple of days until this event is going to be happening, and I think it's going to be quite bullish. A lot of people will be awaiting for this IPO announcement. And some more news is that Ripple has also received in principle approval for its major payments institution license in Singapore. These recent approvals and advancements highlight Ripple's commitment to expanding its presence globally and further solidify its position within the cryptocurrency sphere. And so we've had massive news this week for XRP, really good news with the approval as well. Let's have a look at the CBDC pilot project. So the National Bank of Georgia has selected Ripple as the official technology partner for its pilot project, and it's going to assess its practical applications and potential benefits for a wide range of stakeholders, including the public sector, businesses and retail users. And so this is a real use case, guys, that Ripple did to the National Bank of Georgia. You can see here we've actually got some more on the list. It has also been actively engaging with governments and central banks worldwide. Ripple has announced 5 pilot programs in collaboration with countries like Bhutan, Palau, Montenegro, Colombia and Hong Kong. Furthermore, discussions are underway with over 20 other nations across the globe. So you can see that XRP Ripple is preparing for world launch. They are taking on these pilot projects and they are doing real world testing, which is what we like to see. So let's get into the price action today for XRP Ripple. You can see that we are currently trading at 0.6109. The volume for today is down by 38.44%. However, we are trading at 945.5 million. XRP Ripple is doing really well and the price is actually very strong. You can see on the 7-day chart that it is up by 11.68%. And just look at that upside that we have had, guys, from the 29th of October, where we were struggling to get past that midpoint of the 55 cents, but you can see we have managed to go to the upside and have a few mini breakouts, with one being here of the 58-cent level, and then again when we tested it here and we've gone to 60 cents so far. We've actually been trading at this for a few days right now, which is pretty good, and the next resistance level for XRP to hit is 64 cents. Guys, if you want daily XRP news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.